Today we'll be showing you how to make musubi. And the ingredients are rice, eggs, spam, and you need water, sauce, and you need a mole, and you need seaweed, and you need a brush or something. And then, so first you put the rice, some rice, inside the mold, and make sure that the rice is inside the mold. And you could just scoop it up and then put it inside. Just like what I'm doing. Then when you think there's enough, then just use the mold's thing, part of the thing, and then you just push it down. But if you don't see there's like a hole or something, then add a little bit of more. Just where the spot you want it. Then you do it again. Then, all done. But you're not all done yet. Next, you use this for the oil. You put the brush inside the sauce. Then you like drag it like this. Like go back, forth, or you can just go back. Then you just put the brush down. Next, you put some eggs. And make sure they're like into like crumbs, but not very little. But if you want it little, you can add a little. And you can, if your like mole is actually like big, probably you should fill it up with some rice and some eggs. And make sure you wash your hands before you do this. Then right after, you put 2 spams, and make sure it's in the middle, or it might like tip out of your musubi. Then you can push it if you like, the mole thing. Then you're gonna start to shake it off, and make sure if you make sure that it like doesn't like do it carefully, and like make sure it doesn't fall, because if you don't do it carefully, it might like come off. Then right before you roll it, you put some water. You have some water. Then to make sure it sticks, and this will make sure that it sticks very well. To put the brush down, then you start to roll. But make sure you are careful, because this is, if you have like if you're making 1 or 2, or for like a party or something, you like can do this and and make sure it sticks, and then voila, all done. Now let's let my brother try to taste this with me.
Hello, AC. Can I try that?
Oh, yeah. Make sure you don't drop it, so you try the whole thing. Yummy. Make sure you subscribe if you like some food.
Bro.
Did you know that Musubis started in Hawaii by a Japanese lady?
Okay, what's the fun facts? Bullseye.
Did you know that Musubis started in Hawaii by a Japanese lady?
But thank you for watching.
See you next time. 3, 2, 1.
What's the fun fact?
Did you know that Musubis started in Hawaii by a Japanese lady?
Stop.
3,
2, 1, 0. What's the fun facts, bro?
did you know that Musubis started in Hawaii by 3, 2, 1.
What's the fun facts?
Did you know that Musubis started in
Hey.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
What's the fun facts?
Did you know that Musubis started in Hawaii by a Japanese lady?
No, but. Get out of here.
3, 2,
1. What's the fun facts? What's the fun facts?
Did-
What's the fun facts? I said stop.
Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.